Christmas on TONLEI. This package here is a windlass X3 whatever 24 volts. So a new anchor windlass. Fantastic. Because as you know, we have taken out the old self-built, crusty, unsafe, unreliable and all in all just bad old anchor winch. So we need to put in a new one. And what we're doing now is a almost classical unboxing. Make sure that this doesn't fly away.
Why was that on top?
Ooh. Flotation bags. There it is, the good piece.
Wow. Well, it's shiny.
Yeah, I hope it's shiny, it's brand new. It cost us a fortune, but I think having a good anchoring system is absolutely worth it.
So it's a security issue.
So,
to be able to anchor safe and fast. Wow.
So you can also work this by hand, which is safety. As added safety benefits. This works with power or without power. We have the drum here to work with ropes, and then I always call this nut, I'm not sure, for the chain and rope. So this is really good. Now we just have to put it somewhere there.
There.
We need a new base because the new winch is rather strong and would otherwise just distort the deck. So we're constructing a base plate from 10mm steel, a frame and some reinforcements.
Schräg. Wer schräg guckt, das ist doch voll falsch. Was hast du gemacht?
Ja, nee, das ist die andere Seite.
Die ist gleich.
Nee, nochmal anders. Das muss auch da sein. Ja, genau, jetzt passt's.
So. Das ist gleich doof.
Und die Winch kommt dann hier.
Hier.
Freischwebend.
Da
an der Seite.
Also so nach oben drehen dann. So. Guck mal hier, da.
Ah ja, der
Ja,
Meter.
das sind 2,5 Millimeter jetzt, was dann größer ist auf allen Seiten.
Perfekt.
Na? Ich glaube, wir machen das mit dem hier.
Ich glaube auch.
Das ist